With the new year will come new goods and services tax rates on several consumer goods and certain changes in the GST regime from 1st January 2022. Earlier, the GST on footwear below 500 rupees was 5%, but it has now been increased to 12% for footwear below 1000 rupees. Let us learn how can we make changes in Logic ERP as per the new GST rates. In this video, we will learn about the settings to be done for footwear items. Click on Setup Tax Types Sale. Click on Sale Tax Types on the top left of the screen. Type % footwear and click on Search. Select all the sale footwear tax types and click on Refresh. Now, we will create 4 new tax types of 12% GST. Type GST Sale Footwear 12%. Give the sale account of GST Sale 12%. Calculate sale tax should be yes. Select Sale Tax Account as GST output 6%. Value of Tax 1 and Tax 3 will be 6 each. Select Tax 1 account as CGST output 6%. Finally, select the GST type as CGST SGST. One tax type has been created. Next, type GST Sale Footwear 12% inclusive. All the settings will be the same as that of GST Sale Footwear 12%, except that here we will define the value of tax 2 as 12 because it is an inclusive tax type. Similarly, now we will create IGST tax types. Type IGST Sale Footwear 12%. Give the sale account of IGST Sale 12%. Select Sale Tax Account as IGST output 12%. Here, we will only define the value of tax 3 as 12 because it is an integrated tax type. Finally, select the GST type as IGST. Lastly, type IGST Sale Footwear 12% inclusive. All the settings will be the same as that of IGST Sale Footwear 12%, except that here we will define the value of tax 2 as 12 because it is an inclusive tax type. Four new tax types of 12% GST have been created. Do not forget to save them. The next step is to click on Link Tax Types Rate Basis Sale. First, we will have to delete the old linking of 5% tax type. So, select GST Sale Footwear 5% and delete the linked tax type. Save the settings. Similarly, do it for other tax types as well. Now, we will move forward to link the new tax types. Select GST Sale Footwear 12% and choose the rate that you want to implement on. Here, we are selecting UD net amount. Click on UD net amount to define it. This is how the UD net amount will be defined. For exclusive tax regions, the value will be 1001 rupees. GST sale footwear 18% will be linked here. This means that 18% GST will be applied in case the value of footwear item exceeds 1000 rupees in an exclusive tax region. Let us look at another case where the tax region is inclusive. UD net amount will be defined in the same way as in the exclusive tax region. For inclusive tax regions, the value will be 1120.01 rupees. GST sale footwear 18% inclusive will be linked here. So, this amount is inclusive of the taxes. It has been calculated as 1120.01 multiplied by 12 divided by 112, which equals to 120. So, if we subtract 120 from 1120.01, it becomes equal to 1000.01. Therefore, the value of 1120.01 rupees has tax of 120 rupees included in it. Similarly, you can do it for IGST tax types as well. The last step is to set group-wise taxes. Click on Select Group and select GST Footwear from the tax group. Now select the tax regions. And click on Refresh. Now, we just have to replace 5% tax with 12% tax in each tax region. For example, in the first column, we will replace GST sale footwear 5% with GST sale footwear 12%. Carefully change the tax in each column. Also, be cautious of the inclusive and exclusive tax region. Both sale and purchase settings can be done in this window. But, in this video, we have only seen the settings for sale. You can do it for purchase as well in the same way. Thank you for watching this video. For more software-related updates, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon.